stacks to the rescue. We can use a stack to validate those pesky parentheses in O(n) time. Given a string of parentheses, we need to determine if it's valid. What does that even mean? An input string is valid if open brackets are closed by the same type and in the correct order. Sounds simple, but how do we implement it? The brute force approach would be to check every possible combination of parentheses, but that's not efficient. We can do better. Our optimal approach uses a stack to keep track of the opening brackets. When we encounter a closing bracket, we check if the top of the stack has the corresponding opening bracket. Let's walk through it step by step. We start by initializing an empty stack and a dictionary to map closing brackets to their corresponding opening brackets. Then, we iterate over the input string. If we encounter an opening bracket, we push it onto the stack. If we encounter a closing bracket, we check if the stack is empty or if the top of the stack doesn't match the closing bracket. If either condition is true, we return false. Finally, we check if the stack is empty after iterating over the entire string. If it's not empty, that means there are unmatched opening brackets, so we return false. Otherwise, we return true. The time complexity of this solution is O(n), where n is the length of the input string, and the space complexity is O(n) as well, since in the worst case, we might need to push all characters onto the stack. So, there you have it. A simple yet efficient solution to the valid parentheses problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding content.